like really quick one and done eyeshadow looks? Well, I have one for you. I'm going to actually be sharing several eyeshadows with you today. I'm going to share the look that I'm wearing today. Actually, I'm wearing 2 shadows, but you don't need to wear 2. You can just wear 1. This formula is Chef's Kiss. Can't wait to share it with you. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you all the shadows that I purchased from RMS. I think I might do 2 today because I already filmed 2 videos on one shadow looks that you're going to see hopefully after this, because I want this to be more the like introductory video to them. And as I'm speaking today, they just came out with 3 more shadows, but I need to stop because I have literally ordered pretty much all the products. Okay. So I'm going to go in and use this first. This is from MAC and this is their Painterly. And I like to use this as my primer. I've shared that before. I really like this. Look at, do you see instantly how that changed my eye? See how it looks all red and veiny and that, yeah, that's one of the reasons I like this. And 2, it just helps to adhere the shadow on top and also prevents it from creasing. Now the only shadows that Hermes currently has are shadows that are creams. The caviar sticks, I love those. And Tom Ford had some. As I'm speaking, they don't have them anymore. I don't know if they're going to come back, but I have some that I'm using up that I really love. But I have yet, except for one from Dennis Amyrix. I use that one that's pretty much like a one and done color, but it's very vibrant. It's very, very pretty, but it's not something I'm going to wear all the time. I have to be in the mood to wear such a vibrant color. So I like these because they're more subdued. These shadows are one and done. And I feel like I can just wear a color and go about my day. You know what I mean? Like I can just go wear one of these colors and I don't feel like it look like if I use the Charlotte Tilbury color, I can't just do one. If I use the caviar sticks, I can't do one. For me, it just doesn't have the, I don't even know how to explain it. These shadows have more different reflectives in it. So it looks like you're wearing 2 shadows when you're wearing one. I hope that makes sense. Where like, even though like the Laura Merciers are the ones that I have, there's matte ones too, but the ones that are shimmery, but it's just, for me, it's not enough. There's one color in here that it's not my favorite on its own, and I'll talk about that. So that one I would wear with another color. But maybe it's one that you can wear on your own. But for the most part, all these colors, I feel like they look amazing. Okay, and I normally don't do this, but I'm going to swatch them today for you. 5. I have 5 of them right now. And they look like this. They're small. But you get a lot of color in the small. Like you barely want to squeeze this. Seriously. This is going to last you a while. It's clean beauty, so I'm not going to say forever. I don't know what preservatives they have in it or whatever, but, and then you get these keys. So I have a lot of keys. Because eventually I will need to use a key to squeeze it out. I'm going to be completely 100%. I really don't care for this packaging. I wish it wasn't in this. I feel like, I know they're probably doing this so you're not being wasteful, but you kind of are, because every time I order one, I'm going to get a key, and then what do I do with these keys? I have to throw them in the garbage. You know what I mean? I don't know that I can recycle this, where if it was like in a plastic thing like this, you know what I mean? I don't know. Like one of our other products, you know what I mean? So I'm not crazy about the packaging, but the product itself is phenomenal. Let's go through all of them. I'll swatch it, and then I'll do a look for you, and hopefully I'm going to pick a color I didn't already do. And even if I did, I'm going to kick it up a notch for you today, okay? So let's do this one first. This one is in the color Sunbeam. Kind of an orangey color, but I just was like, you know what, I want to try some different things. And I did order one of their coral shades, so look at, oh my God. It is just, and you can't, I'm telling you, my camera's not picking up how beautiful it is. Do you see that? So these are not glittery. These are not shimmery. What they are is like a luminous finish, okay? That's what it is, luminous. But it is not shimmer. She does not like the shimmer or the glitter. When I say she, I'm talking about Rosemary, the founder of RMS. She's a former makeup artist. This color is Strobe. Oh my God. And I'm not even squeezing these. They're just like, you barely have to get anything out. And look at, that one's a little lighter. So on its own, it's pretty. But on top of another color, you could even do, like you could do 2 colors or just do 1. This one is in the color Blaze. It's gorgeous. It's right there, Blaze. Really pretty kind of purpley lilac-y color. Then we have Halo. Halo is right there. I mean, look at how gorgeous these are. And then we have Spark. This is probably my favorite. See it? Let me rub it. See that? It's kind of like more my jam. I love all of them. They're all pretty, but I really, really love this one. I really love that color so much. I'm going to go in with this one. Should I? Oh no, I guess I shouldn't. You know what? I will. I will, because I'm going to do it with this one today. Okay? So I will. Because I know I've already done this in the video, but we're going to do it again. Even though I have pink on today. Yeah, we're going to do it anyways. I don't care. So I am going to go ahead. I want to get this. Now she just uses her finger to apply it. I want to do a really, really light wash of it first. And then I'll put a little bit more on top of it. So she just puts it on with her finger. Oh, look at, I'm not even squeezing it. So I'm just going to put that on. See if I can kind of get more of a light color first before I build this up. I mean, this is just so gorgeous. Oh my God. I love it. So this is like a light, and it's still dark. Look at the color. I'm going to add a little bit more though. I want to add more. I want to bring it up. Now I'm going to use my brush, and I'm just using my rougher 16. And I just want to blend this. Now she just uses her fingers, but I like to use a brush. And when you do, it just looks so seamless. Oh my, I mean, look at that color. It's so beautiful. And you barely have to use any. So this is why I like to use a brush, because I just like to buff it out. I mean, come on. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going to take this. This is Sunbeam. I'll have all the information below too for you guys, okay? So this one was, again, with Spark, and this is Sunbeam. I'm going to take Sunbeam just a little bit, and I'm going to put it right here. You know, that just brightened up that, look at, oh my gosh. It's so freaking gorgeous. And look at that, for a cream. I've never, this isn't like any of the cream shadows I've ever used. It isn't. It is very, the formula, in my opinion, is very unique to what I personally have ever tried. I mean, I'm telling you guys, you don't need much shadow. That's it. The teeny tiny amount. It's so pigmented. You don't want to overuse it. I'm going to take my master mixer. This stuff is fabulous too. I'm just going to pop that on the top part of my eyeshadow. Oh, just to blend that out a little bit more. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I freaking love it. Oh my God. I mean, look at the color pigment on that. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this. I'm going to try their black one. I like this, but I don't find it to be really long wearing. So it's not my favorite. I love the color. This is in the color. Let me tell you the color, by the way. This is in the color bronze. I feel like it doesn't stay on me really good. I don't know. I'm going to put it on my lower. I don't use this in my waterline, okay? I know I look crazy right now. Trust the process. And then I'm going to put it up here too. And I am not being super neat. I'm just making a line. Then I'm going to take this is a little squishy thing here, and blend it. Now with this shadow, I feel like you can't see it on top as much. Taking my Thick Glow Beauty brush, and then I just like to go under here like this and just soften it. So it doesn't look like I have a black eye. I'm going to do the same with the other side. See how that softened it up? I have all kinds of noises out there today. Wonderful. Use my Charlotte Tilbury Barbara Brown. I need to do my eyeliner too, but before I do my mascara, I just want to do this. This is my final look. I love these, you guys. I love the formula. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is the packaging. That's the only thing I don't like, is the packaging on it. I just wish it could be different, but other than that, I love it. It doesn't crease on me. It wears all day long. I love how it blends out. I love the shadows. If you are somebody that you feel like you cannot wear a shimmer, or these aren't shimmery. I mean, look at my eyes. They're not shimmer. They're just very, very radiant eyeshadows that are so pretty, and I just feel like, especially on mature eyes, I feel like they're just so bright, light reflecting. I know that you are going to love them. So I'm not going to sit here and say it's amazing. You guys know I don't do that. I'm also not going to tell you that you need to get it, because you don't need to get it, okay? But I really like them. So if you're looking for a cream eyeshadow, if you're looking for one that's just a one and done, or one that you can even apply two colors very easily, I highly recommend these. I will put below all the shadows that I have, that I've purchased, and the ones that I am wearing today. This one is like my favorite combo. I love this one, but the other ones are so pretty too. You will see me wear them in other videos, I promise. So thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. It is free. And for those of you that have been that are following me and have been following me for a long time, I appreciate you guys so much. You could be doing anything right now. Anything. You could be following any channel and you're here with me. And I am so grateful for that. I truly, truly am. Could you do me just one little favor before you leave? Please make sure that you like, share, and comment my videos, because it helps to push them out, and I would immensely, greatly appreciate it. So thank you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.